Welcome back to H&I. It's just two guys talking car stuff. I'm Chris,
I'm Paul.
and today we're going to talk about brakes. Because,
These things that make your car go faster,
no, they're actually going to slow you down, and if you're going too fast, you're really going to need
you
them.
probably need what's important. So, got it. All right. Well, this, from what I can tell, is a disc brake, correct?
It is a disc brake.
Pretty smart.
And what makes it a disc brake?
Circle.
The disc,
The disc.
or called a rotor.
Rotor, exactly. So this is a typical floating caliper system. It's got two main bolts in the back that hold the hat here. And this is the carrier. The hat itself has the brake pads wedged between it. On the back side of here is a piston. So when you push on the brakes, the hydraulic fluid pushes against the piston that drives the caliper against the disc, which then pushes this side this way towards the disc, which clamps your pads, of course causing heat and friction to slow your vehicle down.
Or the simple part, you press the pedal in your car, these little things go like this against the rotor, and your car stops because of friction.
Always got to dumb it down. I love it.
I do, it's the easiest
Dumb
way
it
to
down.
do it. So the most important thing when you are having your brakes done is, see these are new brake pads, they have a nice smooth surface on them. What you want to do is make sure your rotor has a nice smooth surface too. That way they mate easier, they don't make as much noise, and you actually take advantage of all this area for stopping. Because you got grooves and stuff inside the rotor. Those grooves are actually gaps where it's not making any contact with your pad. Make sense?
I think so.
I think so too.
So tell them about the wear indicator.
Your wear indicator on here is actually going to be not on this pad. So
What?
I can't show you a wear indicator.
There is not a wear indicator on it. That's
It must
crazy.
be on the hardware. The
Must
wear
be.
indicator is a little piece of metal that's going to stick out. So when this pad gets low enough where the indicator will start rubbing on the rotor, it makes that squealing noise when you're
High-pitched
just driving.
When you're just driving down the road, you're hearing that eeeeee, it's really annoying. That's letting you know that very soon, if you don't get your pads replaced, you're going to be not only buying pads, you're also going to be buying rotors. Because once this wearable part of the pad goes down, you get into this hard metal part. This starts grinding into the rotor, starts destroying the rotors. Now you're looking at a lot more costly brake.
Grinding noise from your brakes is a very bad thing, and it's also a very expensive thing. So don't let your pads get that low.
If your vehicle's shuddering under light brake pressure, you have warped rotors. If it's grinding really bad, you probably have very worn brake pads, and you're looking at rotors and pads next time you want the brakes.
So as you can tell, we do not rehearse any of this. This is just us being us. So hope you enjoyed the little lesson on brakes, and I think we're done.
I think we're done. I think we did great.
We did do great.
You did great. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.
Bye.